Yo guys, what is up? So we are now home on spring break, so it's time for another episode of the GN 125 Scrambler build.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Can keep my hands on myself. Pick out dust them all, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl is in need. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed. Leave it with the babysitter, mama call the grave digger. Gone with the falling leaves. Am I coming out of left field?
Alrighty, so this is how we're looking right now. Front fender, the fender guard, or the fork guards, and the painted forks are now on. It's looking pretty decent. Now I just gotta figure out how to get this front brake working again because it is not working well. Oh wait, never mind. Alright guys, so we are all finished up right now on the bike build for today. My brother's about to come home, so we're gonna ride. I just checked it out. Everything is working fairly well. And that headlight is facing up a little more, I gotta fix that. But she looks good, feels good. I also just helped a guy at the end of my road whose battery was dead in a Harley, just at a dead end, so done my good deed for the day.
It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.
I get my best flows to test on my next shows while my whiteboard is marked up with expos. Planning out all of my next moves at expos. The most unlikely artist to make it out of the West Coast. Teenager with the mind of a vet though, but soon somebody will sign him a check. So if you did something that you highly regret, I recommend it, it's about time that you let go. Cause at first they were trying to diss me, now I'm coming up so they ask for favors. And when you get noticed, the story flips. See, now they talking to me on their best behavior. People I barely know telling me they love me. Two-faced friends only in it for the money. Who can you trust when he trying to be the greatest? But now I'm waving bye to you haters until I'm number. Yeah, but the number one is what I'm going for. I used to want it all, and now I want it more. Until I'm number. And you could tell that I mean it if you look into my eyes. It shouldn't be a surprise when I finally arrive at the top, number one. What am I really trying to prove? Did I just put myself into a situation where I gotta choose between music and money, fans and friends? I hope that all the above is on the Scantron then. Life is a test and I study for the class. If you wanna understand, then you better do the math. Procrastinator rappers thinking they go past, gonna find